Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 11 icon not showing on taskbar. So how can fix it? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first method is that right click on start options and go to your task manager. After doing this step, scroll down and find out a Windows Explorer. Now here is a Windows Explorer. Select it and click on Restart. After that, I hope close it and I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try our next method. The next method is that in the start menu, go to your settings of your Windows. After doing this step, go to your personalization. Click on taskbar. After doing this step, click on taskbar corner overflow, and after doing this step, turn on all apps options which is appear from this list. Close it. After that, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that open a right click on start menu and click on run option, and after doing this step, type a percentage local app data and percentage. After that, click on OK button. Go to your view options, click on show and click on a hidden items. Click on it. After that, scroll down and delete the icon caches folder file. Right click on delete options. After that, close it, and after this step, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.